It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 16th of August. I'm James Spann. So far today, showers are few and far between, but we are expecting to see an increase in the number of showers and storms later this week. Check things out this afternoon. That's the water vapor satellite view. Pretty good moisture plume from eastern Texas up toward the eastern Great Lakes. Got an upper ridge over Alabama, the core of that a little east of here. And again, there's the radar. Things are pretty quiet. That was taken at 2:41. And we got a few showers out there, but in this part of the state, you can basically count the number of showers on one hand. The more numerous showers and storms across the state line over in Georgia. Temperatures are heating up a little bit today. Seen a lot of low 90s. In fact, look at Huntsville. They've got 95. Birmingham at 92. We'll expect low 90s tomorrow, but we could slip back into the upper 80s in many places by Thursday and Friday with an increase in clouds and showers. Thought we'd peek at the numbers around the nation. I'd say it's seasonal for mid-August. Hottest weather back in the desert Southwest. Still got a flash flood watch for parts of South and Southeast Texas for the rest of today and tonight. And up in the Northeast, a severe thunderstorm watch from near Washington, D.C. and Baltimore north to Scranton, Pennsylvania until 11 o'clock Eastern time tonight. You can see a line of storms moving through that box. Got a slight risk of severe weather in that zone and also a slight risk for parts of Minnesota and Iowa for the rest of today and tonight. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over parts of Virginia. And on day 3, which is Thursday, a risk of severe storms well to the north for Minnesota, Wisconsin, and parts of the Dakotas. The rain for the next 5 days, about 1 to 2 inches for the northern half of the state. This is valid through Sunday morning. Weather in the tropics. Little wave out on the eastern Atlantic, now with an 80% chance of becoming a tropical depression or storm within 48 hours. Looking fairly organized on the visible satellite imagery this afternoon. Some nice banding features. This would get the name Fiona. It becomes a tropical storm. Here's a look at the intensity forecast. And most all the models do bring it up to a tropical storm, but most of them keep this as a tropical storm. And you can see some in about 5 days, the intensity starts to drop off. Here's a look at the spaghetti plot with the tropical models. You can see it's clearly going to miss the Caribbean, moving more north than west. And on the ensemble here, typically when it gets out there in that position, it tends to recurve. And odds are this will not threaten any landmass. But again, the wave train seems to be heating up, and there will probably be more where this one comes from. But all of these will be fighting a large amount of dry air across the Atlantic basin. All right, model fans, here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. 594 heat ridge nosing in from the east. And again, we'll see a few scattered showers and storms around tomorrow afternoon. Low 90s, partly sunny. Maybe a little more active on the radar than today. But Thursday, the ridge begins to weaken. Showers and storms should increase a bit. The GFS showing a high of 89. And the same thing Friday, a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Scattered, maybe numerous showers and storms. Thursday and Friday should clearly be more active with the rain. And again, the GFS showing a high of 89. For the weekend, it's not going to be a rainy weekend, but no doubt the chance of a few passing showers and storms both Saturday and here's Sunday. Highs 87 to 90, more than likely. The GFS showing 88 Saturday, 87 on Sunday. Now, Monday, a cold front getting close. Could that thing push through here? Well, it's possible, but it's not likely. Let's go to Tuesday. And you can see a trough passing north of the state, but this run tries to bring down drier air. And if this is right, nights would be a touch cooler, humidity values a touch lower by late Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. But again, I would believe that when you see it. This is the end of the forecast period. Friday of next week, August 26th, troughing a little to the north and west of here. And again, that looks pretty quiet. Good news, no sign of any excessive heat for the next 10 to 15 days. Again, the ensemble tries to ramp up mid-90s in here tomorrow and Thursday. I don't think we see that. In fact, again, Thursday, the operational GFS is showing only 89 here, but really beyond that, highs only in the upper 80s on most days with potential for lows getting down in the 60s. later this month. That's not too bad for August. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.